Jai Hind cadets, myself DR Sonone, Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. I hope you have seen the previous video, that is electromagnetic part 2, electromagnetic induction part 2. In that we have seen the concept of Lenz's law. Today we are going to see the concept of induction and the types of induction, which is very important for competitive examination. So today's concept is induction and its types. So let's start. Induction and types of induction. First of all, the topic name is electromagnetic induction. It means what? There is a induced EMF or induced current due to change in magnetic flux with respect to time. So according to Faraday law, there is a definition of induction, induction of EMF as well as induction of current. But very important, the concept of types of inductance, there are many questions, many times question asked on this point, that is types of induction. So there are two types of induction. First one is self induction. Self induction. And second point is mutual induction. So first of all, we will see about the self induction. What do you mean by self induction? If we consider any coil and if we pass a current through that coil, then change in magnetic flux in that same coil is nothing but the self induction. For example, if we consider any coil and if we pass the value of current I through the coil, so coil having the property, if there is a transmission of current through the coil, there is change in flux in a coil. So according to the Faraday's law, there will be a change in flux in this coil. So self induction means what? If change in flux, we can say if there is current pass through coil, then flux change in a same coil. Flux change in a same coil means current is also passing through the same coil and flux is changing in a same coil. That's why it is known as self induction. So here, according to the relation, this flux is directly proportional to the current. As there is a increase in flux, means there is a increase in current through the coil. That time we can say, if we remove this proportionality sign, that time we get constant, that is phi equals to Li, where this L is nothing but the coefficient of self induction. So we can write this L is nothing but the coefficient of self induction. And we can define that coefficient of self induction is nothing but the ratio of flux to the value of current. So phi upon I will be the formula for coefficient of self induction, and this value of L is depend on the coil. Okay, so if you want to find out the unit of this L, very important unit, we know that unit of flux is what? Unit of flux is Weber and unit of current is ampere. So Weber per ampere is defined as Henry. So unit of self induction is nothing but the Henry. Henry is the name of scientist. If we want to define, that is, what do we mean by 1 Henry EMF, that time we can say if 1 Weber of flux change through the coil, it means that time 1 ampere of current is passing through the coil. So 1 Weber upon 1 ampere is nothing but the 1 Henry self induction. Same way, we can also define the second concept of a induction is a mutual induction. So mutual induction means what? For example, if we consider this is a first coil and if we place any second coil near to the first coil, So according to the definition of mutual induction, if there is a current passing through the first coil, current passing through the first coil, because of that current the flux induced in a second coil, and if in reverse, if there is a current passing through the second coil, due to that flux change in a first coil. It means what? Current of one coil and flux of a second coil. So this relation is nothing but the mutual relation. So that's why this type of induction is known as self induction, sorry, mutual induction. So here also we can define, if change in flux in one coil but current passing through neighboring coil. Okay, flux of one coil and current of second coil, then flux of first coil and current of a second coil. So here in reverse we can also define, if there is a current passing through the first coil and flux change in a second coil. For relation we can define this phi 1 is proportional to I2, or we can say phi 2 is proportional to I1. By removing this sign we can place here a constant, that is a coefficient of self. Instead of self we can write here a mutual induction. So M is nothing but the coefficient of mutual induction. As this is a coefficient of induction, maybe mutual or maybe self, so the unit of this M is also same, Henry. So this is the concept. Depend on the theory as well as the equation. There are many questions asked in examination. So we are preparing our last video after the topic, that is for questions coming in NDA examination, NEET examination and JEE examination. So I think so today is enough for now. If you remember this two concept of self induction and mutual induction, there will be more easy to solve the MCQ question coming in the examination. So this is enough for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.